Welcome back to my new video tutorial. As you can see on the screen, today we are going to create a very simple yet elegant design that takes only few seconds to complete. Let's get started. First, apply your gel polish. We are going to keep this first layer very thick because we won't be applying second layer. Make sure to apply it evenly all over the nail. Do not cure the first layer yet, as we will be adding the design before curing everything together. Now with the help of the dotting tool, place dots in a crisscross pattern, creating a stick-like design. Apply these dots in a crisscross line on the both upper and lower part of the nail. As you can see on the video, I have chosen black and white colors. You can choose any color you like, but make sure they complement each other well. I used 2 gel polish, so pick 2 colors that look good together. While placing the dots, it's okay if they are uneven. In fact, uneven dots can make the design more attractive. So don't worry about making the dots perfectly equal. Once you have placed the dots on the upper and the lower part of the nail, we will move to the next part of our design using a toothpick. Using the toothpick, place it on the dot and start connecting the dots in a crisscross pattern to form the design. Make sure not to lift your hand while doing this, as it might alter the design. Keep your hand steady and continue connecting the dots in a single motion. Once you have connected the dots, place your nail under the UV light for 30 seconds to let the design dry and set. Next, add small dots in the space near the wave-like connections of the dots. Apply these small dots on both the upper and the lower part of the design. Once done with the placement of the small dots, cure the design under UV light for another 30 seconds to set them in place. For the final step, apply a top shiny coat all over the nail. This top coat not only adds extra shine to our design but also seal it, ensuring it lasts longer without chipping. It's important to apply the top coat evenly across the entire nail, making sure not to miss any spots. Once done applying top coat, now cure it under UV light for another 30 seconds to let it dry. And there you have it, our design came together quickly and easily, ready to show off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.